Okay, calculating consecutive percentage changes. Now, this one, we've got 75 bucks. We're going to increase it by 20% and then decrease it. Be very careful. That does not mean that we're going to get back to $75. Okay. When we increase it by 20%, we're finding 20% of 75 and adding it to it. But then we've got a new value and we're going to subtract 20% of that new value. So those two 20% are not equal. So let's work it out. Okay, so this first bit increased by 75. So we're going to do $75 and we're going to times it by 120%. Like I've said before, you could do 1.2, but I'm just going to use the percentage symbol because my calculator does that stuff. So if I do that, my grand total is now $90. So I've now increased it by 20%, and that's good. Now, my next one is I'm taking this new value, so my $90, and I'm going to decrease it by 20%, which means I'm actually going to be timesing it by, not percentage, not a dollar sign, 80%. So that is the 100 minus the 20% will give me the 80%. So I'm doing the $90 times that. When I do that, it is going to be down to $72. So the new price is $72, and you'll notice that we didn't get back to 75 because the 20% of the 90, which is $18, is bigger than the 20% of the original 75 that we started off with. So be very careful. If you need to do consecutive percentage changes, do them consecutively. Don't try and do it all in one go. Don't just add and subtract percentages because that won't work for you.